Uh, Papa, guess what? Yep, this package is for you. It's part of your birthday gift from me. You want to see it?
You got him 2 pairs of shoes?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Here. You want to see it?
And he got a pair from Ata?
Yeah, I thought I got him a pair
That's
too.
crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay. Show him the color.
Another pair cream.
Yep.
Dude,
Wow.
you think he knows what these are?
Wow. You like them?
Wow.
But he was looking for a toy. You're gonna thank me when you get older, okay? That you have a collection, okay? This is not. I don't know what year that's gonna be.
These are what size are these?
I bought like a whole bunch of different sizes for him. You're welcome.
Where's the other ones?
Upstairs. Okay, I'll leave you guys to it then. You guys hash it out, okay? But if you guys get out of control, I'm coming down.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Are you sure? Nami, be nice. Look at them. Yeah, they will work in the back of your system. Huh? So, Linda cooked for us today. What'd you make, steaks?
Steak and shrimp tacos.
Wait, I thought you already ate.
No.
Okay, anyways, I didn't come for the food. I came for this guy. What's up, buddy? Hi. You mad at me? Huh? He sniffs the other cat on me. What's up? Hmm? Come on, you wanna come with me? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. You got some eye booger right here. Damn, you've been sleeping good, huh, buddy? Huh? You're purring already? Huh? Come on. Come on. You see your toy? Okay, we're gonna check just to make sure he doesn't have an ear infection before our trip, right?
Yeah, I don't think he does, but...
Because the worst case scenario is he has
No.
something, and we're already...
But you know what is weird? He doesn't like me to hold him certain positions when I took him to bed the last few days.
I think he's fine.
Last couple of days.
But I'd rather be safe than sorry, right, Baba? Okay, good. Yeah? Baba?
No, mama.
Baba?
Say mama.
I need a toy?
Can you say mama?
Can Baba have the toy?
Mom. Can you say mama's name? Watch this, ready? Cream, watch. The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Round and round, round and round.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Reggie. Bro, you were just up here for like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Really? You took everything out of the basket already? Won't leave you too much. JC? Okay. come here. It's not your room. Come here. Here. Excuse me, sir. Did you ask your brothers and sisters if you can come inside of here? Huh? This is not your room. You have to ask them. Yeah. I haven't asked you guys about this yet, but the cat room is pretty much done. But what's your guys' opinion on it? So this is this wall. Okay, we have the big old cat tree. Yes, all my tools are still on there. I gotta take it off. But we put the spaceship up there. It's like a little hammock. This is really comfortable. Really comfortable. And then we did this on this wall. I think we might put this somewhere over there. They have a teepee coming over here. Maybe we put a tree over here. I'm not 100% sure. But this is this wall, right? That bed we're taking out. And then there's this wall, right? We got all those little extra pieces. Chasey? Baba. This is why you're not allowed inside their room. Chase loves to use it as a scratch post. Oh my god. Here, let me get the tools away from you. Buddy, this is not a playground for you. Look, Can you reach that? Yes, you can. Okay. I gotta take this all away from you now. This guy loves to go chase the cats around. Away from their food. Look. Okay, go. Go get him. Go get him. Go get Chase. Go get Chase. Get him, Baba. Get him. Okay. Bro, that's your table. That's not a walking stick. Look. Tash, look. Look, they're fighting. Go get him. Go get him. Go split them up. Go get him. Chase, no. Tell him, Chase, stop. Go get Chase. Go get him. Go get him, Baba. Go get him. Where is he? There he is. Go get him, Baba. Look, he's over there. Go get him.